In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Google Authenticator account and restore Google Authenticator codes. If you've switched to a new phone and you're worried about losing access to your two-factor authentication codes, don't worry. In many cases, recovering your Google Authenticator setup is simple, especially if you previously enabled Google's Cloud Sync feature. The main thing you need to do is install the Google Authenticator app on your new device. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using the exact same Google account that you used on your previous device. This part is very important because your saved authenticator entries are tied to that same account. If you sign in with a different Google account, your codes will not appear. If Cloud Sync was enabled before you change devices, your saved codes should sync automatically after you sign in. In most cases, that means the accounts you previously added to Google Authenticator will show up without needing to manually re-enter them. Give it a moment to refresh and make sure your device has a stable internet connection while the sync completes. If your codes do appear, take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. It's a good idea to check that the account names are there and that the rotating verification codes are actively updating. This helps you confirm that the recovery worked properly before you try signing in anywhere important. If your codes do not sync, that usually means Cloud Sync was not enabled on the old device, or you may not be signed into the same Google account as before. In that situation, you'll need to use other recovery methods provided by the services you originally protected with Google Authenticator that may include backup codes, recovery prompts, or re-enabling two-factor authentication directly from each account once you regain access. A helpful tip here is to always double-check which Google account is currently signed in on the app, especially if you use more than one account on your phone. Many recovery issues happen simply because the wrong Google account is being used. So to recap, recovering Google Authenticator codes is easiest when you install the app on your new device and sign in with the same Google account used previously. If Cloud Sync was turned on, your codes should restore automatically. If not, you'll need to recover access through the individual accounts connected to the app. That's the full process for restoring your Google Authenticator codes safely and correctly.